Hello my dear friends, so today I would like to do a short video, a short update regarding my project 1964 Volkswagen Beetle that you can see behind me. And in general I'm working on a small things because I already did a design in my mind how I want to see this car. And in general, you know, the white color is not the easiest color, you know, as it's probably as it black also. But in terms of doing some design and attaching and working on details. So in this particular project, I have some new ideas, and in general, first of all, with wheels. This time I decided to try to powder coat the hubcaps, and I painted the wheels black, and I did a black matte also hubcaps, and I really like how it goes together with a white color. Interior probably will be terracotta color, because you have to understand with a white color combination the best one is the terracotta. We were talking about the external and internal color combinations. Also I just changed some small things as new exhaust tips, also red rear lights lenses at the back. And now I am working on a front window because I removed the front windshield, repaired the surroundings. We usually have rust because of the, you know, of the drain holes that collects the water and goes through. Also installed the new, the correct seal with chrome surrounding, and etc. The new step sides and so on. It still needs some welding. I just ordered, you know, the heater channels that I will replace in nearest future, and so on. By the way, I have one car for sale that probably you saw already the video, the Citroen 2CV 1971. You can check the video if you're interested. It's very good entry-level car, not expensive one. And talking more about my upcoming project. So as you see behind the Volkswagen Beetle 1964, I'm working on now. Still I need to finish my Alfa Romeo Spider, but really it's left only a couple details, but somehow I'm waiting for the inspiration, because you know every car, when you work on car, you have to have this kind of vibe and mood specific to work on that car. After this Volkswagen Beetle, I will proceed also trying to finish my Rover P6, and next one will be Range Rover. That's gonna be very interesting project. It's already going on. I bought a lot of sheet metal parts that needs to be welded. And by the way, I bought one more Volkswagen Beetle. It's a 1957 oval. It's coming in 2 weeks. Very nice. That I think that this one oval Beetle is gonna be my, like I did already design in my mind, and it's gonna be my masterpiece, because after so many years working on so many cars, and I already, I don't know, I built 6-7 Volkswagen Beetles already, so I think I already know what details, how many possibilities you can, you know, do building this car. And it's awesome thing is that, you know, it never ending story. Every Beetle I build the new one, I have new and new ideas, and this is amazing, because this car is really amazing car. So my dears, that's it for today. I hope you liked my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like my video, and I hope to see you next time. So greetings from Vilnius, and bye.